Yeah, so let's talk about the models, right? Because the models are typically what you align then towards the type of business process need that you have as a manufacturer. So, an example would be a model that has computer vision, maybe in your manufacturing production line. What you can do is you've got a piece that you're making constantly. And what you can do is you can have a camera set up so that as it goes through the production process, that there's a picture or image that's taken, and that is then compared to all the other images that have been trained in that model to basically say whether or not there's any quality or defect information that it sees as part of that. It could then create, for example, quality orders to then inform people in production that they have some type of quality issue that they need to address. Another model that you could use would be something like time series regression. Time series regression allows for you basically to look at the demand requirements that you have from your customer orders. And basically it applies different types of algorithms against it, such as autoregression integrated moving average, or what we call ARIMA for short, to basically align the demand requirements that are needed inside of your organization. And the time series regression model is technically a machine learning / AI model that's supported then as well by the Dynamics 365 solution. A final model that you could consider as well is now the introduction of these large language model capabilities, such as GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. These models allow for you to leverage some of the extra Microsoft capabilities to make it easier for you to tell a machine on how you want to accomplish a task. As an example with that within manufacturing, maybe you want to have it where an automate, or Power Automate as we call it, creates a flow that will then notify you when there's a quality or product defect issue. In the past, you'd have to log into Power Automate and you'd have to go through the designer to create all those different steps and know how to do those steps to tackle that requirement. With the large language model introductions, you can basically tell the computer what you want it to do, and it will then build out that Power Automate flow for you. So from a usability perspective, it makes it a lot easier then for manufacturers to now create triggers and things of that nature that make it easier to manage that data inside of your environment.